Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make vector art in Affinity Designer in 2026. So if you want to create scalable illustrations, cartoon art, or professional vector graphics, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open Affinity Designer official website or launch the app on your PC. Once it opens, you'll see the main design workspace. Next, click New Document and choose your canvas size. So you can use a square canvas for social media art or larger sizes for illustrations. Now start creating vector art using the pen tool and shape tools. These tools let you create smooth, scalable designs without losing quality. So apply colors, gradients, and strokes to your artwork. Using layers and color palettes helps keep your design organized. Next, use the node tool to adjust curves and fine details. This helps make your vector art look cleaner and more professional. Finally, click File and then Export to save your artwork. So, export as SVG for scalable vectors or PNG for sharing online. And that's how to make vector art in Affinity Designer in 2026. Once you learn the pen tool, shapes, and layers, creating professional vector graphics becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more graphic design tutorials.